Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go grave digging and grow a garden. So go to this section here and talk to Doug, and then select the Let's Go Grave Digging. So basically you have around, it should be like 10 right now, but I only have one because I haven't opened this game. But at first, you're going to have 10 shovels. Basically, you're going to want to guess where the treasure is. So for instance, I want to guess it's here. And you can see a little box here, like a little box, and you're just going to start digging somewhere else. I just don't have the digs, so I can't show you guys, but you're going to want to dig more in that area to open the treasure. You do need to dig kind of fully. There's like one square one, there's like a long chest, so you kind of want to dig carefully. It will restock like the shovels. It will restock it if you have the game open, which I didn't have it, so I couldn't show you guys. So that's how you can go grave digging and grow a garden. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!